Have you ever dreamed of running your own online business? With the right tools, it's easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you the 8 best online business tools that are worth your time. We'll go over some of the basics of each tool, give examples of how to use them in your business, and tell you what features they have. All links mentioned can be found in the description. Let's get started. Number 1 on the list is Tailor Brands. To have a logo is the most essential part of your brand's identity. That's why I put it first on the list. It is a toolset that makes your project look good. You can design a professional logo, social media graphics, and website. It's completely free to customize your logo. You only have to pay if you love it. All you need to do is go to tailorbrands.com, enter the name of your brand, take the survey, and then they will suggest the perfect logo ideas for your business. Number 2 on the list is Proofhub. This easy-to-use project management and team collaboration software is a great option for small businesses. By replacing the multiple tools required for task management, collaboration, time tracking, communication, file sharing, and reporting with a single all-in-one software, and gives teams a central source of truth. Their plans start at $4 to $5. You can also try a 14-day free trial. Number 3 on the list is WordPress. If you're looking for an easy tool that will help you build your own blog or website without learning how to code, then WordPress is ideal for you. It is a content management system and web publishing software for your business with easy-to-use tools with thousands of themes to choose and simplified content creation. Number 4 on the list is Mailchimp. Mailchimp is one of the best and most popular email marketing platforms on the market. You can use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop designer and email templates to craft the perfect message. Service tiers are priced depending on how many emails you send per month. If your company sends fewer than 12,000 email messages per month to fewer than 2,000 subscribers, you'll absolutely love Mailchimp's forever free plan. Number 5 on the list is JotForm. JotForm is a free online form builder that enables you to create forms and collect information from customers or users. You can use it to create forms to take product orders, bookings, and registrations. The best thing is you can also automate your tasks by integrating your forms with over 100 plus popular tools such as Google Sheets and popular payment solution providers. You can start for free, and if you need some additional features, you can upgrade the plan. Number 6 on the list is Buffer. Buffer allows schedule creation on a day-to-day or weekly basis. To keep posting in the schedule, you can create a queue of images and add them in a specific order. It is available as a browser extension, which makes it very easy to use and open up. If you're a small firm looking for ease of use, Buffer is likely your best option. If you're running a lot of customer support through your social media channels, then Buffer is also the best bet for you with its reply conversation management functionality. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out the latest videos. Here on GuideRev,